What is the world's most popular pet bird? The budgerigar. What is the largest bird of prey? The Andean condor. What is the only species of penguin found in the northern hemisphere? The Galapagos penguin. What is the smallest species of duck? The green-winged teal. What bird is famous for its graceful neck? Swans. Which bird is known for its exceptional night vision? Owls. What is the national bird of the United States? The bald eagle. What bird species is native to North America and often eaten during Thanksgiving? The wild turkey. Which bird is known for its distinctive rooster crowing? Roosters. What bird is famous for its iridescent, colorful plumage? Peacocks. What is the tallest flying bird in the world? The Saurus crane. What bird is often called the quackless duck? The Muscovy duck. What bird is known for its remarkable ability to mimic human speech? The African gray. Which bird species is famous for its annual long-distance migration to Antarctica? The Arctic tern. What bird species is associated with delivering babies in folklore? Storks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.